First, how to check your G points and level. Go to your profile in the top right corner. Then click My Star Points. Click G+ point. This is your current G point standing. You can see a status bar that estimates your journey to the next level as well as your level benefits. This is the basic guide to the point system. It explains a few of the additional benefits you receive based on your ranking, such as how many spins on the roulette will you receive and additional benefits that will help you vote during the TMA Choice Awards. As you can see, there are 5 levels: green, bronze, silver, gold, and black. These are the ways that you can earn G points in the app. This video guide will walk you through every single one of them, step by step. You can see which ones you complete daily by clicking on Daily G+ points. The tasks that you can easily complete daily for free will award you a total of 16 points a day. Let's start with attendance. All you have to do is answer a daily question to receive your attendance. It doesn't matter if you get the question correct the first time, you can always try again. Next, let's go over video voting for 3 points. You need to complete 2 video votes a day to receive the G points. Find any poll that Stray Kids are currently in. Right now it happens to be the September birthday vote. Click the play icon next to the profile picture. You can choose any video. Click OK. Make sure you watch the full video. After waiting 10 minutes, do another one. And after completing 2, you will receive the points. Next, view articles. You only need to read 10 articles to receive your G points. Go to articles, click on one, scroll down till you see claim. Then click next article. Do this 10 times, and once you finish completing the 10th one, you will receive 2 points. We will skip time events for now and move on to post recommendations. Click on the happy face in the bottom right to be taken to the Stray Kids community to like posts. Click on a stays post. Scroll down and click like. Go back and complete this 10 times. Next, posting. You can do this while you're already in the Stray Kids community completing the post recommendations. We have only separated it for the guide. To make a post, go to the Stray Kids community and click on this icon. When making your post, enter a subject. Write something in the details section and attach a photo. Click submit. Click OK. Next, Photo Talk post. Click Photo Talk. Click on any in progress at the top. Find Stray Kids. Click like. Click the plus sign. Just add a photo. Click submit and then click OK. While the point of this guide is to show you how to easily complete tasks to increase your G point level while doing some of the tasks, you will also be collecting yellow stars along the way. Please remember, you do not need to mass collect yellow stars for the Choice Award voting, but completing enough of the tasks to receive 200 a day should be a goal, so that you can use them to vote and complete the G point task and receive 4 points a day. By completing 2 time events a day, your 10 post recommendations, as well as your attendance, and completing just 30 articles, you will receive your daily level bonus for completing the daily missions. And combined, you should have more than 200 a day to vote with daily. The only task you will be adding to the simple G point tasks will be an additional 20 articles because you already completed all the other tasks for the daily G points. To vote, you will again find a poll that Stray Kids are currently in and click Vote next to the member. Type in 200 and click Vote. The last task you can complete daily that is easy and free is the time events. 6 times a day there will be a time event. You need to participate and complete 2 of them to receive 2 additional G points. First, make sure the app is in the designated language that coincides with that time event. A schedule of the time events can be found on our website. And we have scheduled posts on our Twitter account that will notify our followers of 3 of the events a day. And Team SDS posts 6 times a day notifying their followers of every single time event. Make sure you watch the entire video to complete the event, receiving 50 stars, and after completing 2 of them, you will receive your G points. Next, I will show you how to complete the free stars tasks. Please note that the tasks available vary by country. The ones I am going to show you are available in mine and simple to complete that do not require sign up or making a payment. They will not always be available to everyone. I always look for ones that offer very little reward, because usually those are the ones that do not require sign up or a payment to complete. This one, for example, just requires you to click through until you come to a website and sit on it for just a few seconds like this. As you can see, it was easily completed. It gave me 3 rainbow stars and I was able to complete 1 of the 3 free missions. To get my G points, I will quickly show you 2 more that I know are currently available. This one will take you to a website where you will just answer questions completing a quiz. You don't even have to get the questions right, you just have to submit an answer. Look at your results of your quiz, go back, it's complete. Another one is like this, where you just have to click through a couple websites, go back, and that's complete as well. This is not required. It is just an additional way to earn stars and G points. To receive the G points for best post, your post in the Stray Kids community needs to reach a certain level of popularity. It would take a lot of likes to receive this, so we will skip this and move on to the rest. You can receive 2 points a day automatically by subscribing to FANNSTAR. This requires you to sign up for an automatic monthly payment. I will post a separate video showing how you can sign up and the additional benefits and how they work in a separate video for anyone who is interested. The last thing you can do to receive an additional 4 points is using rainbow stars to donate or vote on a fan support. The minimum to receive the G points is 200. And you can receive additional for the more you donate, but you can only receive it once a day. Lastly, the second time event for the day for another 2 points. We want to remind Stay that for the Choice Awards, we do not need to mass collect stars. The preparation for this voting only requires you to boost your G point ranking so that you can automatically receive the highest amount of voting tickets daily based on that ranking. And because there are only so many ways to earn G points, doing them daily ensures you reach your highest possible level before September 10th. You do not need to complete 40 ads a day like we did during the 4-star vote. And as you can see from our video, it does not take very long. We humbly ask Stays to please participate so we can award Stray Kids with as many trophies as we can, showing them once again that Stay will always fight for them. For additional information about FANNSTAR and the TMA, you can visit straykidscomebackguide.com. And please be sure that you follow our voting fan-based Stay voting zone, as well as our fandom's main voting team, Team SVS, for updates about strategies and other useful information. Thank you for watching, we hope it helps. Let's work together and fight for Stray Kids.
Don't ever doubt yourself. I know the feeling too. I've been inside the dark. I've never been so empty, hopeless. But no, it isn't true. 'Cause know that all the stars are by your side.